package here, I think. What on earth could this be? Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. This is your boy Nelson, and today we are going to be installing some PPE. Well, I'm not going to be installing it. We are going to get headers installed, PPE headers installed on our 2015 Lexus RCF. Unequal length headers. So it's still going to sound like a V8. It won't sound too exotic, but it's going to be a lot more louder and a lot more fun to drive because I'm gonna have more of that top end power. So yeah, let's get to the video. All right guys, if you're actually wondering what's in the box, inside the box I have my PPE headers. These headers are going inside of this car, and yeah, I'm sorry neighbors. Guys, I also forgot to mention that Otis, he also owns I think a 2017 Lexus RCF that's supercharged. So hopefully it's at the shop because it wasn't there last time, so hopefully this time it's at the shop so that I could show you guys a little bit of it. All right guys, we just made it to Otis's shop. As you guys recall, last time I was here, his RCF wasn't here. It was at our racing to get fixed, but it is here this time. And as you guys can see, he has, I think this is a stage 4 supercharger on it. This is insane. Yo. Yo guys, I am speechless. And if you guys think this is crazy, I'm gonna show you the inside of this car. Yo, look at the inside. This is insane. Cold start in the supercharged RCF. Yo, what's up guys? So I'm actually back in my house, and it's been a few days since I've dropped off the car over to Otis, and I gotta say, right, I have the car back, but unfortunately the PPE headers are actually not installed in the car. Yo, I'm sitting in bed, I'm thinking, yo, I'm about to get headers on my car. Like, then Otis contacts me and tells me to call him ASAP. I'm like, ASAP? Like, is an issue? So I call him, right? And he tells me, bro, we got some bad news. I'm thinking, okay, like the bad news is maybe you're missing a socket. You feel me? Like maybe the bad news is you can't take out my old headers. I don't know. But he tells me that the headers they sent me were 2 passenger side headers. 2 passenger side headers. Yo, after that happened, right, I was just sitting at the edge of my bed in sorrow. Like, I'm not sure if you guys ever seen that meme of like just guys just sitting at the edge of the bed. Right, but that was me, right? I was like just staring off into space, like, bro. I'm like, damn, like I gotta contact this company, Mod in Japan, right? I contact them, and then Steven responded, and he said like he was really upset. He said that he's gonna try to make it right with me, and he's gonna actually ship me brand new headers, and also pre-confirm with his own eyes to make sure that these are the opposite sides. So he did that. The new headers came in Tuesday, but I'm also still looking for a refund because, you know, I spent a lot of money. But yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. Hopefully we could get these headers installed maybe this week or next week. So that's the plan, guys. And all right guys, as you guys can see, I actually personally open up these headers to make sure that these are indeed the right sides. So I might have done it the other way around, I don't know. But these look like the opposite size, honestly. I think I was shipped the correct ones. They are ceramic coated. These are it. Looks pretty neat. I just pulled out the car, and yo, I am in need of a car wash. So I haven't really touched this car in over a week because of, you know what happened. So I stopped to get some gas, and also I have to add some coolant to my car because if you guys missed the last video, I have a valley lake leak. So I'm losing coolant, so yeah. But yeah, we are still going to change out my coilovers, and we are going to install my headers. So that's the plan, and yeah, it feels like I'm doing this twice. So I'm driving with a messed up suspension, and I gotta say, yo, this is sketch as fuck. If I could put the handling of this car from a 0 to a 10, I think I would say a 3 right now. This is mad sketch. All right, guys, update. Yo, I'm alive. This thing is so sketchy to drive. I can't say it more. This video was originally supposed to be about me installing headers, but you know, because of everything that happened, I had to wait an additional 2 weeks, and during those 2 weeks my suspension messed up. So I'm changing my suspension over to BC Coilovers, and I'm installing PPE headers today. So that's what's happening right now. Today is Thursday. I'm dropping off the car today, and I'm probably picking it up on Sunday. All right, guys, we are now heading out, and yeah, I dropped off the car. I'll probably pick it up on Sunday. Yo, man, this guy got lost. I know exactly where he got lost. This man got lost.
Literally 20 minutes away. Then it said 44 minutes.
Yo! Guys, so today is the day where I go pick up the RCF. And of course, out of all the fucking days I pick up this car, it decides to pour rain today. I really can't test the headers because it's raining. You know how it is if you try to do stupid shit in the rain, if you have a rear-wheel drive car. But this isn't my car, as you guys can see. This is a Honda HR-V, and it's all-wheel drive. So you guys best know that I'm doing 140 in the fucking rain because I don't think I'm gonna die in this shit. So yeah, we getting there quick. All right, guys, I just got my car back, and as you guys can see, I need a fucking alignment. This is straight right now, and I also want to adjust the coilovers in the back because I have hella space in between my fender and my tires, and that's a no-no. So hopefully they are able to adjust it. Now also, if the price is outrageous, which means if it's too much, I'm gonna just adjust it myself. Then I'm gonna just get my alignment when I get back home. I want to floor it so bad, but I know that it's raining, and there's a good chance I'm gonna just hydroplane, so I'd rather not do that. And of course, it would be my luck, right, in the pouring rain with a fucked up alignment, that they are not open today. I'm not sure if you guys see this shit, but yo, I'm actually kind of scared. Oh, out of all the days I gotta pick my car up, of course it'll be today. Of course the alignment shop is closed. And all right, guys, I just made it back home, yo, and guess what popped up? The fucking check engine light. You fucking little I'm gonna just show you guys how it sounds, and yo, this shit sounds insane. If you guys are wondering, I have the NVIDIA catback exhaust alongside with the PPE headers. I was thinking about taking out my muffler to make the exhaust a bit louder, but yo, this shit is loud. I don't think I have to do anything. But I'm gonna just show you guys real quick. I'm sorry, neighbors. Actually, it's like 1 p.m. on a Sunday. They'll be fine. I'll show you guys how this shit sounds. This shit sounds insane. Holy shit. Yo, holy shit. Yo, RIP headphone users. I hope that no one has the headphones, but if you do, RIP to your ears. But yo, this shit sounds crazy. So yeah, guys, tomorrow, first things first, I'm waking up at 6 a.m. The reason being is because I'm going on vacation for 8 days. I'm going on a cruise for 8 days. So I gotta wake up at 6 a.m. to adjust the coilovers in the rears and hopefully get an alignment. I'm more concerned about adjusting the coilovers because, you know, I'm a stance boy, you feel me? So yeah, that's the plan. And yeah, the coilovers in the front are actually pretty good. They are a bit lower than last time, but fuck it, I don't really care. As long as I could make it in and out of my garage, I'm good. One more rev for you guys real quick. All right, that shit's loud as shit. Sheesh. All right, guys, I'm at the store right now, and if you don't know what this is actually called a carbon fiber composite caliper. So this is going to help me determine the exact ride height of my coilovers so that I don't have an uneven ride height. So unfortunately, this one is dead, as you guys can see, so I gotta change out the battery. It's a good thing that I was able to find the battery. So yeah, tomorrow is a go. Tomorrow I'm gonna adjust the ride height, and I won't look as goofy right now. It's crazy, but you guys found it. I got the BC coilovers installed, right? The ride height in the front is literally perfect fitment. But the ride height in the back, bro, it looks like I'm about to go off-roading. Well, also, guys, look, after I've spent about 2 hours trying to adjust the BC coilovers in the back, as a heads up, if you plan on getting an RCF and if you plan on getting BC coilovers, just know that you should adjust the ride height before you install them on the car, especially for the backs. Because literally, like, I wish I showed it earlier, but there is no space to adjust your ride height. And also, right, these coilovers are almost maxed out, right? And I could literally still fit about, I'm gonna say, 2.5 freaking fingers in here. And I have some pretty fat fingers. But also, guys, that's not even the worst part. As I was tightening my lug nuts, guess what? I freaking snapped off a fucking lug. Yeah, I snapped it off. I wasn't even torquing it. Bro, it's my luck. It's my luck. So I'm gonna just go for a test drive real quick with 1, 2, 4 lugs. Hopefully I don't die, so I'll be back. Should I sell the RCF and just cop an M4? You know, F80? Or should I still give this shit a chance? Because what the fuck? Bro, 4 lug nuts is crazy. All right, guys, so I'm gonna have my father record me testing out my PPE headers. He might get annoyed, but it's fine. What you are going to do, right, is you are simply going to hold up this camera, right? Up. That's it, okay?